Here we are outside with my new camcorder. And you can see my beautiful birdhouse and my beautiful dog running around. I feel like this should be a nature show. And the Australian silky breed is bred to flesh out varmints, hence Dirk's stalking behavior. Inquisitive as he is, he seeks but finds not. I'm having my own private circus. As I cannot see the viewfinder, I'm hoping I'm looking in the right direction. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's peeing. An ancient ritual.